Facilities are an educational institution's greatest asset. Yet buildings age, maintenance backlogs grow, programs evolve, and hard decisions must be made. How do you separate fact from fiction? With Sightlines, you have the tools and a trusted strategic partner to measure, monitor, and benchmark your physical assets with the same rigor as your institution's financial assets. Use Sightlines' unparalleled perspective and reliable data from over 52,000 buildings to create a better understanding of conditions, address the backlog of deferred maintenance, improve the effectiveness of facility operations, and optimize capital investments to get the most mileage out of the limited funds. From boiler room to boardroom, better data leads to better decisions. Broader insight unifies discussions around space, capital, and operations, bridging the communications gap between facilities and finance. See how Sightlines can help your organization turn insight into action and discussions into decisions.